Drop your head to your right side. Just stay there for 2 seconds. Bring your ear close to your shoulder. Drop your head towards your left. Right to left, left to right. Keep moving. 3, 2, 1. And touch your chin to your chest. Stretch the back of your neck completely. Keep your eyes closed. Keep that awareness. How each and every muscle is relaxing. Look up, breathe in. Breathe out, chin to the chest. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, chin to the chest, and then do rotations. Slow, complete, big circles. It's a simple action, but it helps to increase the blood circulation towards our brain. Do it reverse. Sukshma Vyayam is very important part of yoga. We call it warm-up in English, but this is all Sukshma Yoga. Bring your hands forward, make wrist rotations at least 5 times, and then you can reverse. Keep your awareness. Do not think of anything else, just your wrist and your hands. Pull your fingers towards your body, elbows straight. Keep pulling, pull more. Stretch your wrist completely. And then slowly you can come down. Start kicking with your right leg. See if you can swing your leg and kick little harder. Kick with your left leg. So we are doing 14 Ashtang. Try to do minimum 10, maximum you can go up till 20. So come to the top of your mat, press your hands together, lift your elbows. Let's create some awareness. Pull your stomach in, back straight. Engage your entire body from your toes up till your head, becoming taller. And breathing in, let's take both the hands up, arch your upper back, pull your stomach in, squeeze your buttocks, elbows straight, and then come down. Stay here for 5 seconds, straighten those knees. It's okay if you are not able to take your head close to your knees, but you have to push your knees behind. Bring your body weight forward. Relax your neck, relax your shoulder, bring your body weight little forward, and then push your knees behind. The crown of your head should be facing down, facing the mat. This is also correct posture. You don't need to touch your head to your knee. Keep stretching your legs by pushing your knees back. Now place your fingertips on the floor, just the fingertips, and look straight. Try to come up. Even deeper stretch in the back of your legs. Look up, look straight, pushing your chest. Ready to jump back. Body in plank pose. Push your body weight forward. Elbows towards, close to your body. Take your chest down. Come down completely and lift up. In cobra, elbows close to your body. Elongate your neck by pulling your shoulders behind. Expand your chest. Ready to go back in down dog. We'll hold for 5 seconds. Keep pushing behind. Elbows straight. Engage your shoulder blades. Look towards your navel. Tuck your chin. Look towards your navel. And push your chest towards your thighs. Take a breath in. And breathe out completely. One more time, deep inhale. And breathing out, you can jump forward. Look straight. Take your head towards your knees, knees straight. Breathing in, hands up. Breathing out, namaste. So 13 more, do it at your own speed, making sure you are doing each and every posture, giving your 100%. You have to extend a little more. You have to pull your stomach, engage your core. When you come up, you have to stretch little more. So by the end of 13 rounds, you should be sweating. Also, don't forget to coordinate your breath with your movement. When there is expansion, you breathe in. When there is contraction, you breathe out. Keep a smile on your face and just enjoy each and every asana. That's what will make it more effective. This is the last round. If you are going to continue, you can just pause the video. After this, we are going to do mindful breathing. So you are going to take 15 long deep breaths along with the count. So you can slowly get ready to come up. And then once you're up, open your hands in receiving pose and start with the breathing. Breathe in. 2, 3. Expand your chest. 5. Fill your lungs completely. 7, 8, 9. Keep your eyes closed. 10. Do 5 more at your own speed. Do not forget to expand your lungs. Push your chest. Open your ribs as you breathe in and breathe out. And you may relax your breath. Take both the hands behind. Interlock your hands. Squeeze your shoulder blades and look up. Push your chest forward. We'll do standing yoga seal. So before we go down, just stretch your chest, look up. Lift your heart up as if you're pushing your heart towards the sky. Legs are hip width apart. From there, you're going to bend down. So here you have to bring the crown of your head facing the mat. The top of your head has to face the mat. Pull your stomach in, keep your knees straight and point your knuckles to the wall in front of you. See if you can bring your hands little down towards the floor. So you have to squeeze your shoulders, relax your neck and keep pulling your hands down. Get comfortable in the pose. We are going to take 5 deep inhale. So stay still now. Breathe in 1. Breathe in 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now don't come up. Place your hands on the floor. Place both your hands on the floor. As the blood has started flowing towards our head, we don't want to feel any head rush. So let's jump back and we'll come in plank pose. From here we are going to move into the lizard pose. So you're going to take your right leg and place it outside of your right hand. Not inside, outside of your right hand. Now adjust your body. Your knee has to be close to your right arm, almost touching your right arm. Your toes have to point in front. Straighten that left knee. And then you can push your hip down. Try to shift your body weight forward. Are you feeling a deep stretch in your hip? Adjust your body accordingly to feel a deep stretch. Deep inhale. Breathe in. Breathe in 3. Breathe in 4. And you can take your leg behind, push in down dog, relax in down dog for 2-3 seconds, and then we'll repeat on the left side. Bring your left leg and place it outside of your left hand. Bring your knee close to your body, almost touching your arm. Toes are pointing in front. Bring your body weight forward. Come on the edge of your right toes. Straighten that right knee. And try to push your hip down as if you want to touch the ground. Hold the pose, stay still. We'll take deep inhale. Breathe in 1. Breathe in 2, 3, 4. And you can take your leg back. Push in down dog. Once again, deep inhale. And exhale completely. Walk your hands behind. Don't lift up. Once again, we are going to interlock in standing yoga seal. So, interlock both the hands. Your knuckles are facing the ceiling. From there, see if you can bring them down towards the mat. Drop your head. The crown of your head has to face the mat. Knees are straight. Bring your body weight forward. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. As you exhale, squeeze your stomach. Breathe in. Breathe out. Squeeze your stomach. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly, you can release your hands. Place them on the mat. Walk your hands forward. We are not coming up yet. Walk your hands forward. Come in plank pose. We are going to drop in pigeon pose. Before that, what we are doing is, we are taking our knee in between our hands, and then from there we are going to pulse. So you are going to take your knee close to the mat and then close to your chest. So just get ready. You can massage your wrist, move your hands and get ready for pigeon. Before that, we'll do a small warm up. So come in plank pose. Bring your right knee in between your hands. Now take your knee close to the mat and up towards the chest. 5, 4, 3, 2 and last one. Hold it up there. Don't bring it down. Don't drop it down. Hold. 2, 1. Drop your knee in between your hands. Come down slowly. Adjust your body. Bring your right leg little forward. See if you can take baby steps and bring it forward near to your left hand. Now from here, adjust your body. Don't lean on right side. Try to come towards left. Body has to be in center. Press your hands into the mat. Push your chest forward. Elongate your neck. Once, just check if you are in right posture. After that, we'll take long deep breaths. Breathe in 1. Breathe in 2. Breathe in 3. Breathe in 4. Breathe in 5. Tuck your left toe, lift your left knee, take your right leg back. Stretch in down dog and get ready to repeat on the other side. Come in plank pose. Bring your left knee in between your hands. Take it close to the mat. Pull it up towards your chest. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Up. Just hold for 2 seconds. Squeeze your stomach. Hold it up and then drop it in between both the hands. Take some baby steps and see if you can bring your left foot close to your right hand. Adjust your body. Don't lean on left side. Body is in center. Try to go little towards right. Once you are in right posture, deep inhale. Breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5. Tuck your toe, lift your knee and take your left leg back. Stretch back in down dog. Breathe in 1. Tuck your chin, look towards your navel, pull your stomach in, breathe out. Walk your hands behind. Once again, interlock your hands. We are repeating this pose again and again just to open up our shoulders. Just doing it one time won't be sufficient. So we'll repeat standing yoga seal. Breathe in 1. Try to bring your hands towards the floor. Breathe in 2. Crown of the head is facing the ground. Breathe in 3, 4 and release your hands. Place your hands on your legs, tuck your chin in and slowly come up. Do not be in a hurry. If you feel dizzy, just keep your eyes closed and stay there for 5-10 seconds. Open your hands, focus on your breath. So just send your breath towards your head. Deep inhale and breathe out. Whenever you feel okay, you can open your eyes. You can come to the center of the mat and then take gap between both the legs, almost 3 to 4 feet apart. When you stretch your hands, your feet have to come under your wrist. So make sure if the distance is right. Toes are pointing in front, heels are facing back. So from here, press your legs into the ground, pull your kneecaps up, tighten your thighs completely, squeeze your buttocks, tuck your tailbone and lift up your hands. Parallel, spread your fingers and keep stretching as if you want to touch both the sides of the walls. Engage your entire body. Keep that awareness. You are squeezing at the same time stretching. 5-pointed star. Looking just like a star right now. Keep a smile on your face and stretch more and squeeze more. Squeeze your buttocks, squeeze your thighs. Engage your whole body and take a breath in. Breathe out completely. Breathe in 2. Breathe in 3. Breathe in 4. Breathe in 5. And slowly bring your hands down. You can bring both the legs inside. We are going to come down, sit in Vajrasan for Bhastrika. We'll do 3 rounds, 20 breaths. Make a fist, loose fist near your shoulders. Keep your back straight and make sure you are taking long, deep inhale. Fill your lungs completely. First, we'll take a normal breath in and breathe out, empty your lungs. Now for Bhastrika, breathe in, out, 2, out, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue on your own. Make sure you are completely breathing in when you take your hands up. Fill your lungs and breathe out forcibly. Don't stop. Minimum 20 breaths. 2 and last one. Breathe out and relax your hands on your lap. Eyes are closed. Observe as the prana rises up from the base of your spine up till your chest. Bhastrika is an instant energizing pranayam, so feel the energy in your body. Each and every cell is getting energized. We'll do second round. Keep your eyes closed. Just follow the instructions. I'll give you the count. Minimum 20 breaths. So let's make a fist near our shoulder. First a normal breath and then empty your lungs completely, and then we'll start. Breathe in, out, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax your hands. Eyes closed. Observe the sensations. What is happening? on your chest. How the prana is flowing up till your forehead, in between your eyebrows. Keeping a gentle smile on your face. Ready for third round. First a normal breath in and breathe out, completely empty your lungs. Let's do it together. Breathe in, out. Observe how the air is flowing in your nostrils, how easily it moves in, how easily it comes out. Keeping your eyes closed, you may just stretch your legs and lie down. Let the prana flow in all the parts of your body. It is very important to rest for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So keep gap between both the legs. And dropping all your weight on the floor, just listen to the music and relax more and more. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Shive sarvartha